MilesTek has released a new line of IP68 rated industrial Ethernet cable assemblies, receptacles, and plugs. The new cable assemblies feature IP68 transversely sealed RJ45 plugs and double shielded high-flex UV and oil-resistant cable featuring a flame-retardant thermoplastic elastomer jacket that is CMX outdoor rated. Superior shielding of both the cable and connectors ensures higher data transmission rates up to gigabit Ethernet speeds. The IP68 receptacle types include jam nut, flange mount, inline, and no jam nut styles. Additionally, the new IP68 plugs are available with either an anodized finish or zinc-nickel finish to address various harsh environment applications. These new IP68 rated cables, receptacles, and plugs are in stock and available for immediate shipment. For more information on these new IP68 interconnects, please visit MilesTek.com.